Welcome to Explore Tucson. Today we're at Instrumental Music Center. For over 20 years, instrumental music has been a staple of the Tucson community. Leslie Sturm, the owner, has strived to create an environment where everyone who walks through the door feels welcomed regardless of age, gender, race, or skill level. This, combined with fantastic customer service, on-site repairs, a large assortment of instruments, and a wealth of knowledge, makes this place a fantastic resource for musicians. They currently have 7 different repair technicians that can fix nearly any instrument. It is one of the reasons that they are a go-to for many schools in Arizona. They have also recently been doing demo days for children joining the school band. This allows kids to try out different instruments before committing, and increases the likelihood of them sticking with it. Of course, instruments are cleaned and sanitized before each use to keep everyone safe. This is a great place for rentals, repairs, buying instruments and accessories, or just getting information. And if there's something they can't provide, they'll help you find the resources to get it. And they're hoping to resume in-store lessons again soon. So, where should we explore next?